Here's what you've recently missed on the Shadow Frequency Podcast. Momo's lurking in Missouri's shadows. In this chilling episode of the Shadow Frequency, I'll investigate the legend of Momo, the Missouri monster, an 8-foot foul-smelling ape-man with a pumpkin-shaped head and blazing orange eyes. The Vampire Plague of 1730s Europe, undead or unearthly visitors. In this episode, we unearth the chilling tales behind the vampire hysteria that swept 18th century Europe. Whispers in the Iron Shadows, the haunting of Sloss Furnaces. Deep in the heart of Birmingham, Alabama, a rusted industrial giant echoes with the cries of the past. Whispers from the Vatican vaults. In this episode, we descend into the chilling depths of the Vatican Apostolic Archives. Find these episodes and many more on this platform and at shadowfrequencypodcast.com.